Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Minecraft multiplayer not working, so servers like Hypixel or something. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is, if you have Minecraft installed through the Xbox app, you can go ahead and open up the Xbox app, look for Minecraft launcher, right click on it, and then hit manage. From manage you can make your way over to files and then go ahead and hit verify and repair. Now once that is done verifying and repairing, you can go ahead and either restart your PC or you can just start up Minecraft launcher and you can check to see if that helps fix the issue. The second method you guys can do is just quickly perform a network reset. So just go over to your Wi-Fi router, unplug it for about 30 seconds, unplug the power cord for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. And then you can check to see if that helps fix the issue. Another method you guys can do is simply just restart your PC. And you can also use an Ethernet cable instead of a wireless connection, because that always does help as well. And once you guys are done, you should be good to go and you're all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.